Can a seafarer win a major disability claim due to a delayed medical report in the Philippines? Learn it here in the decision of the Supreme Court in the case entitled Skanfil Maritime Services Inc. and or Crown Ship Management Inc. and or Jose Mario C. Bunag vs. Almario M. Centeno, GR number 227655 promulgated last April 27, 2022.
This is the 26 out of 160 case penned by Associate Justice Mario Lopez, the 2024 Bar Exam Chairman. Subscribe to Law Requisites for more reviewers.
Facts of the case. In March 2013, Skanfil Maritime Services Inc., on behalf of Crown Ship Management Inc., hired Almario Centeno as a mess person aboard M.V. DIMI POS TOPAS. On September 26, 2013, Centeno suffered a fall from a ladder, resulting in a blunt head injury, blunt back injury, a lacerated scalp wound, and brain concussion. After initial treatment in Japan, he was repatriated to the Philippines on October 2, 2013. Skanfil referred Centeno to company-designated physicians who assessed his injury and recommended continued rehabilitation and medication. Despite treatment, Dr. Manuel Fidel M. Magtira, chosen by Centeno, deemed him permanently unfit for sea duties. Consequently, Centeno filed a complaint against Skanfil for permanent disability benefits in July 2014. The labor arbiter dismissed Centeno's complaint, citing the premature nature of the claim and the credibility of the medical examinations conducted by the company-designated physicians. The National Labor Relations Commission, NLRC, affirmed this decision, emphasizing the qualifications and thorough examination by the company-designated physicians. Centeno then appealed to the Court of Appeals, CA, which reversed the NLRC and labor arbiter's findings. The CA awarded Centeno permanent total disability benefits based on the CBA, along with moral and exemplary damages and attorney's fees, finding that the company-designated physicians failed to issue a valid medical assessment within 120 days of Centeno's repatriation. Skanfil elevated the case to the Supreme Court, arguing against the CA's decision and the applicability of the CBA. The Supreme Court partly agreed with Skanfil, finding that the company-designated physicians failed to provide a valid medical assessment within the prescribed period, rendering Centeno's disability permanent and total. However, the court deleted the awards for moral and exemplary damages while retaining attorney's fees. Primary issue and decision.
The primary issue was whether Almario Centeno was entitled to permanent total disability benefits and other damages.
The Supreme Court ruled partially in favor of Centeno, holding that his disability was considered permanent and total due to the failure of the company-designated physicians to provide a valid medical assessment within the prescribed period. The court ordered Skanfil Maritime Services Inc. and related parties to pay Centeno $125,000 as permanent total disability benefits and 10% of the total judgment award as attorney's fees. However, the court deleted the awards for moral and exemplary damages.
Important doctrines. 1. 120-day rule for medical assessment. If a company-designated physician fails to provide a final medical assessment within 120 days of a seafarer's repatriation, the seafarer's disability becomes permanent and total. This doctrine was applied in the case, where the failure to provide a valid assessment within the specified time led to the ruling in favor of Centeno. 2. Non-binding nature of certificates of fitness for work. A certificate of fitness for work signed by a seafarer is not conclusive on their state of health. In this case, the court found that such a certificate, even when witnessed by a company-designated physician, does not definitively establish the seafarer's fitness for duty. 3. CBA applicability. The court affirmed the applicability of the CBA provisions in this case. It was determined that the CBA between ITF and Bremer Berederungsgesellschaft MBH and Company KG applied to Centeno, contrary to Skanfil's claim. 4. Deletion of moral and exemplary damages. The court held that without substantial evidence showing malice or bad faith, moral and exemplary damages should not be awarded. In this case, the difference of opinion on Centeno's medical condition and the failure to issue a timely and valid medical assessment did not equate to bad faith or malice on Skanfil's part.